Melissa with Charleston Weddings Magazine, and I wanted to welcome you all back to the Old Village and Out of Hand, where we are going to be doing a fabulous makeover on a gorgeous, already woman, Mary Catherine McConaughey, who is here with O Events, and got a lot of little tricks and treats because it's not the easiest thing to get looking, what can we say, big day ready in the Low Country when you're faced with all the heat and humidity here. So Blair Mathis of Oh Beautiful is going to give us a gorgeous look, and it'll be melt proof, it'll be long lasting, and it'll be just that dewy look that everybody's going for right now. Let's go see how it looks. Oh Beautiful is pretty amazing in and of itself.
Absolutely.
But your background's pretty diverse and pretty interesting.
Well, thank you for having me. I'm excited to be here. I was very fortunate to work for Giorgio Armani for 18 years, and I did our celebrity shoots. We did our training for the staff through the country. I also did a lot of the clienteling, which was my favorite thing, is working with the clients and customizing these perfect looks for these women.
Oh, wow. Do you think you're in good hands?
Oh, of course.
Absolutely. Sounds like it. I'm ready to hop in the chair. So this is pretty cool. The array of products that you have, everything from like RMS that's here in Charleston.
Yes.
And I think I saw some Maya Chia in here
We've
as
got
well.
the Maya Chia. We're so fortunate to have these amazing brands at Oh Beautiful, and these are clean beauty, which basically just means it takes the bad stuff out, the parabens, the phthalates, the GMOs, and really has the good ingredients, but yet gives you that classic look. And it's not going to slide off her face in this heat that we all know for every day, but especially for your wedding day, to just give you that clean so you actually feel clean and healthy. Not right when it's applied, but 6, 7, 8 hours later.
Oh, that's fantastic.
Yes.
Can't wait to see.
Yes.
You ready?
Yes.
We're ready to go. We're going to start today with a little bit of one of my favorite products, the Illuminating Moisturizer from Tata Harper, which again is the Clean Beauty line. It has Diamond Radiance, so it's really going to help hydrate and give you that perfect glow. So we're just going to dab a little bit kind of on the inside out and work our way out. And you can see it actually already gives a little bit of a hue and a glow. Next, we're going to do one of my favorite products, and this is from Supergoop. This is called the Unseen Sunscreen. It's an amazing product year-round, but it's also going to help, especially during the summer months. It has the SPF 40. It's actually a primer, so it's going to help grip that makeup in place throughout the day. And it's odorless, weightless, colorless, clear. So this is actually perfect for anyone that has pore issues. It's going to help immediately mattify your pores. But more importantly, it's going to give you that SPF of 40 through the day, so you don't need to worry about anything else. It'll set. I love this foundation. I love it especially for the summer months. It's called Kjær Weiss. It's actually a line from Denmark, again, clean beauty line. And it's really going to help you control the coverage that you want. So you're going to kind of put it on, and it's going to dry kind of in a cream to powder, so it's never going to look shiny or heavy. And you can go as sheer as you want. She obviously doesn't need that much. I'm just kind of touching up where you want any kind of redness addressed. And you never want to see foundation. The key of makeup is not to see it. The best thing people tell my clients are, did you go to a spa? Where have you been? What have you done to your skin? Not what makeup are you wearing. You never want to date your wedding pictures. You never want to see foundation. You just want that healthy, glowing skin. If you use a sponge, you're really wasting a lot of the product, so it's kind of soaking in, so I like to just use it as kind of a touch-up after, and then give you that perfect airbrush look with that. Isn't that perfect? This is a highlighting concealer, and this is actually a Jane Iredale, and you kind of click it up, and you're going to put it here, and that's going to take away the blue in her eye, not the blue in your eye, the blue around your eye, excuse me. And just kind of gives you a little, it's instant sleep is what I call it. Especially great for wedding week when you have, you know, a lot of cocktails, dancing, fun, and you need a little extra sleep. This is it.
You need that for every day,
yes,
too.
Yes, you need that for every day. So we're just going to pop this here and on top and just blend. I'm a big believer in blending. I love this product, RMS, locally, which she's getting international attention, Rosemary Swift. I've worked with her several times. She's amazing. It's great because a lot of these are meant to go 2 for 1. So this is actually going to be our lip and cheek that you can use for your blush and your lips. We also have the highlighters that you can use as shadows and highlighters. The bronzer, again, you can use as shadows. They're amazing and they're really fun and versatile. They're all coconut based, so again, they're good for you. So this, I'm going to take a little bit of a brush and we're just going to pop it under our skin and just give that natural kind of pinch your cheek, natural flush. Isn't that gorgeous? Love it. And again, buildable coverage. You want it to go sheer, put a little bit. You want more, you just put more on. And I love this for as a blushing bride. You want to have that natural. And I do like blush for wedding pictures because you do want to show up on camera. So you actually sometimes need a little bit more blush than in real life. Also, we said it was the twofer, so I'm going to use this as a base for her lip. I'm going to put a little bit more on here after, but I just want to kind of give her a little bit of a base. Next, I'm just going to do a little dusting on her eye just to kind of give you a sheer. This is actually a Jane Iredale. It's just actually an Allure. It's called Allure. It's got a little bit of a rosy gold, but it's just going to give you a healthy, and it's going to pop, especially for you with blue eyes, it's going to pop that color in her eye.
Perfect.
So you don't want to, again, see the makeup. You just want to see those features come out. Next, I'm going to go back with a little bit of Embrace just because it's a little bit dressier, but just, again, a healthy glow, especially for summertime, springtime. This is gorgeous because it keeps it light and ethereal. But again, that weightless look up, it just looks healthy and blushing. I love this line. This is Maya Chia, Suzanne Norowitz, which is created right here on Shem Creek, which I love. I'm local. I want to support all my local people, but this is the best stuff I've picked up in years. So you're going to shake, 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 and dispense that pigment. Then you're going to pop here, and this is what's going to give you that healthy glow, that dewiness in a bottle that everybody wants, but especially every bride wants. But this is a great product to wear every single day. You don't want to wear makeup, pop your SPF on, pop this on top, lipstick, and you're out the door. So again, a great honeymoon for all you brides. It's great so you don't have to pack everything you own. Pack this, pack some mascara, and you can see how that just gives her skin that healthy, dewy glow. Doesn't it smell good?
It smells so good.
I love it. Okay, I'm going to do a little final touch. This is, again, the Kira Weiss. Then I'm going to do a little bit deeper on her lip just to give her a little bit of a pop. I'm just going to go through and do a tight line, which just really just makes your eyes, your lashes look really full. So you just go right on her lash line. This is, again, that Kira Weiss in the deep brown. Every bride loves the mascara, but I personally love Blink for summertime because it's really going to coat those lashes. So when you cry or anything gets emotional, or the sun, or you start sweating, it's not going to come down. That just gives her a little bit of a pop.
Oh my gosh, you look so fantastic.
Oh, thank you.
It wasn't hard. With this one. I really do love the Maya Chia, and I think every person that picks this up, the highlight of the day, is going to be ecstatic with it. And you can reach us at Out of Hand. We are in Oh Beautiful at Out of Hand, and all of the products that I use here today on MK, you can purchase here or have a personal consultation with myself or my skincare partner, Andy, who's fabulous.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Sounds great.
Thank you.
Thanks for having us.
Thank you so much.